What's going on, friends? Welcome back to the channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've been posting pictures of this 2017 Harley Davidson Sportster, but I gotta come clean. This bike does not actually belong to me. It belongs to my neighbor. So why is it in my garage? Well, he bought this bike back in 2017 as a second owner, but because of some weird rules that California has about used vehicles, he wasn't able to get it registered here. I guess it needs to have 7,500 miles, and it doesn't have that. So he ended up leaving it up in Oregon in storage, and that's where it's been sitting since 2017. Well, over the weekend, his son brought it down, and my neighbor asked me if I could do a little rehab project on this thing. This bike has been sitting unstarted since 2017, so it's gonna need a little bit of work. I've got some ideas on where I need to start, only based on my own experiences with winterization, but I've never worked on a Harley Davidson before. And I was really excited to accept this challenge, only because it'll give me a chance to work on a bike that I've never worked on before, and I probably won't have an opportunity to work on again. I think it'll make me a more well-rounded biker. And at the end, if I can get this thing running, I should be able to ride it. I better be able to ride it. So over the next few weeks, I'll be making a short series of videos following my progress, and at the end, hopefully we'll see this thing run, and there will be only one video of me out there happily riding a Harley Davidson. So if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. If you've got any tips or suggestions of things that I should be wary of once I start ripping this bike apart, make sure you leave some comments in the comment box below. And that's it. Take it easy, guys. Be safe out there.